Good afternoon, home automation enthusiasts. This is Mike from the URC booth here at CEDIA 2018, and this is a quick example of what we can do with Alexa control in lighting. So if you look at our lighting panel in front, the touch panel, we're going to try this. Alexa, turn all lights on.
Okay.
Based on the fact that we're here at the show, it's a little bit slower than it might be otherwise in somebody's home. Let's try it one more time. Alexa, turn all lights off.
Okay.
If you'd like to find out more how you can integrate Alexa voice control into Universal Remote Control products, please go to www.universalremotecontrol.com.